Daddy's Buddies! Welcome to Daddy's Buddies! Hello everybody! Today we're gonna have fun and make cool art with plastic bottle cups and open the Shopkins! I'm so excited! Well, we got here a blank canvas for a buttercup. And my favorite color is yellow because it makes me happy. Hello? Is this Mommy? Hello, Mommy! Let me say hello. Hello, Mommy. Okay. I'm making you some soup. I'm making. Bye-bye. We're gonna paint it with yellow first. Before we paint, we have to wear on our apron. Hi, let's paint. La 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 la. I'm making Addy. I'm making my hair. Awesome. Look like a boy. And then my neck. My t-shirt. And also my t-shirt. That's it. Because I'm rain. Because I'm raining, I need my cute raincoat. Keep it up. Well, waiting it to dry. Now let's open the Shopkins. Awesome! They are so cute and so lovely because when you see one Shopkin, you have to eat it. Yay! Let's open the Shopkins. The carrier case is the color green. And look, you can collect more Shopkins just like me. I have the one that look like this. Wait a minute. Chicky chocolate is there. Chicky chocolate? Stop looking at me, Chicky chocolate. Stop! Look how cute, little baby. Oh, that's the Lichten's family. Nope, that's not. Baby Sarah's right there. Oh, Leafy. Look. Right there. That's her mom. That's her favorite. That's her family. Look, that's Lollipop. She said, I'm a Lolly. Grand Jam. And over here, there's the Shopkin. They're there. The free Shopkin and the Milk Toys is the hair dryer and orange. Let's open it now. Let's write this down. Let's start doing this. Ooh, stickers! Wow. Can I decorate this? Put it right here for later. Now, slide this. Hey! And look. There's some cute things. There's more stickers. Awesome! Again. Now we can put this again here. I'll put this in. Now let's open it. Now let's open this. Yay! Now let's use a Shopkin. Orange. Now we got these Shopkins out. This is orange and this is hair dryer. Hi! Wow. They're playing together. Get that done. Wow! What am I? Wow, they're in. It's in again. Now let's fill up the case. Keep it up. Wow, it looks nice. It's so cute. Wow, there's one hair dryer. I mean, there's two of them. And there's a cute cone right here, and this is for the bubbles. There is a shoe, a Kit Kat, and another shoe right here, and then a soda pop, and then chocolate, and then Shady Diva. Wait a minute! I think the paint is dry. Yes. Now let's go and put our buttercups there. Let's clear our Shopkins. We got here a beautiful canvas. The color yellow is already painted. Here we got the buttercups. It looks so beautiful and pretty. Like rainbow. The red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Let's go and put it now. Kids, you might need help from your mommy or your daddy or your Lola or your Lolo or your auntie or your sister or your brother. Okie dokie. And we got the buttercups already. Awesome! And we got a bunch of things. Let's put the one drip on this one. Drip. Okay. One drip. Amazing! And another drip. Pink. A pink. And another one. There we go, there we go. We are good, we are good. Keep it up. Here it is. Now we do more blue. Now we have to put indigo. Well, so many things. Wow! There we go, guys. I hope you love my video. And don't forget to subscribe on my channel. And don't forget to click on the bell. Bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye. Hello? Okay, never